Today we will discuss about coal crusher, how coal crusher will work. There are two crusher we have in the gear arrangement. These are called crusher, and this is a crusher container in which our coal will be crushed. We will have a empty pan from which coal will be come into the crusher. There is a vibrator. When coal will come, small pieces of the coal from this vibrator will be collected and separated and then goes to the directly to the chamber which we want to send the coal. So vibrator function is that to separate the small pieces of coal from the large pieces of coal. There is a magnetic separator. When coal will come, the ferrous particle or iron particle from the coal will be separated by the magnetic separator, and ferrous metal will be out from the help of magnetic separator, so that our crusher will not harm from the ferrous metal or iron metal. Then coal will go to the pan. Size will be coal of 25 mm to 200 mm, 25 to 200 mm, and which we want the coal crushed size less than 25 mm. When coal will be crushed, the size of the coal will be less than 25 mm. Now what will happen? Coal will come after the magnetic separator, and then these crusher will rotate and crush the coal, and our crushed coal will be directly go to the chamber which we want to move, or directly go to the power plant. And also vibrator separate the coal pieces will go and meet the this coal and go to the chamber where we want to send the coal. So this is the working of coal crusher for crushing the coal in the small pieces, so that we can use easily coal for our power generation. Thank you.